challenging terrain, the 6030 easily tackles any challenge thanks to its adaptive design and high-capacity buckets. Whether you need a 3-row or 4-row sprayer or a front tool holder, the 6030 is customizable for any task. With this multifunctional powerhouse, you'll not only increase your efficiency, but also improve the quality of your grapes, making every future bottle of wine a true masterpiece. When soil requires serious treatment, the Collier & Miller Single-Tine Deep Ripper comes into play. It cuts through the earth with such skill that even the worms give it a standing ovation. The single-shank ripper penetrates deep, leaving loose, airy soil ready for planting. Dense soil clumps are no longer a problem, and plants feel like they're in paradise. Your fields will be grateful for such care, and the harvest will not keep you waiting. Commander technology is redefining harvesting standards. Meet the Amadas 9990 Peanut Combine, a true agro giant with record productivity. This machine is the result of a 20-year partnership between Amadas Industries and John Deere. Under the hood, it has a 90-liter John Deere Tier 4 engine with 333 horsepower, equipped with turbocharging and air cooling. And in the cabin? Well, there's comfort worthy of a VIP. Everything to make you feel like the king of peanut fields. Navigating the field with such an assistant is a pleasure. Even in the most difficult corners and ends of the rows, your harvest is safe. Forget standard grape picking. The Oxbow 6030 has arrived to revolutionize the way vineyards work, from steep slopes to groves. With a powerful 140 horsepower engine and sophisticated vibration technology, this giant gently shakes each tree, making olives easily separate from the branches. Time and effort savings are guaranteed, and the gentle approach to each tree ensures their health for many years. The Sigma F3 makes harvesting not only efficient, but also caring. In a world where time and quality are the key to success, the Commander 1 and 3 combine harvesters are breaking new ground in broccoli and cabbage harvesting. Have you ever dreamed of a machine that keeps up with the speed of your work? With these harvesters, picking speed is exactly the same as driving speed, and adjusting the cutting height won't make you stop. Moving at speeds up to 2 miles per hour, you can perform initial crop sorting on the inspection table right on the field. With flexible loading conveyors and food-grade conveyor belts, coupled with a complete camera system for comprehensive surveillance, prepare a site for construction. Well, the old barge, like a faithful helper, patiently takes all the cargo. When the Stumatec Bohrmaschine TL18 Geo hits the site, the ground starts moving. With a powerful 18 horsepower engine and hydraulic system, this bore machine easily punches holes up to 12 inches in diameter and 60 feet deep. It's designed for tough conditions and guarantees reliability and accuracy in every project. No matter how difficult the task, the TL18 Geo will get the job done, leaving you satisfied with the results. Want to experience the power and accuracy of drilling at a new level? This driller is ready for any challenge. The Sigma F3 140 horsepower is not just equipment, but a real superhero among all. This powerful machine handles all conditions, ensuring a perfect harvest. With its unique 40-inch picker and innovative 16-roller table, the Rider 1 ensures even distribution of onions by trimming the haulm with over 95% efficiency. Its ability to handle up to 35 to 40 tons per hour makes it an indispensable assistant in your farm. Speed and folding control of the loading conveyor right from the cab? Yes, please. Plus, its efficient length to reach the second row of boxes on the trailer makes onion harvesting even more efficient. In Monaco, a huge excavator does a truly spectacular job, plunging into the depths of the sea and extracting something from the seabed onto an old barge. This giant of mechanical might looks like a monster from science fiction, but it's performing an important task. With its powerful boom and bucket, The excavator lifts tons of material to help clean up the seabed, or machine is amazing, making cane harvesting as easy and fast as possible. Want to see your crop harvested with incredible precision? This harvester will help you. Meet the Damcon HWD 3055 cultivator, your new garden ninja. This guy doesn't just fight weeds, he does it stylishly with his horizontal hose that carefully cut weeds at the root, leaving them no chance to resurrect. But the real trick is how it distributes the soil. A thin layer like a barista sprinkling cocoa on your cappuccino. And if you add a finger or torsion weeding, your soil will be treated so well that even weeds will start to think twice before appearing. When it's time to harvest onions, the Rider 1 opens new horizons of efficiency, no matter the weather. Forget worries about wet or dry field conditions. Don't let heavy work slow down your project. The MDE Crawler C67 is ready to get to work. Equipped with a 67 horsepower engine, this crawler excavator ensures efficiency even in the most challenging situations. Its unique ability to quickly change attachments allows performing various tasks without time spent on reconfiguration. Excellent cross-country ability on soft and difficult surfaces, thanks to the powerful new crawler drive, makes it an ideal choice for agricultural enterprises and construction sites. The splendor of harvesting cane with the whole-stalk cane harvester will not leave you indifferent. This powerful unit with an 8-foot reach handles cane at speeds of up to 3 acres per hour. Each pass is perfectly cut and cleaned stalks thanks to its advanced cutting and cleaning system. The cane is stacked in even rows, making it easy for further processing. The efficiency and productivity of this machine 75710 is a new level. This monster, weighing 360 tons and with a payload of 496 tons, doesn't just transport loads, it literally devours them. With wheels bigger than some cars and a body that can hold an entire fleet of excavators, the Belaz 75710 is a perfect choice for any extreme tasks. When the scale of your work goes beyond the ordinary, this giant will handle everything. After an unforeseen accident on the access road to the airport, the ship Bayan was temporarily decommissioned. However, thanks to promptly carried out emergency repairs, the ship regained its ability to move. Thus, Bayan set off into the water area, where a tugboat was already waiting. This ship, which has survived a lot, now set off on its next voyage to the Nishi-Oita base, where it'll be prepared for further operation. Springfield, Massachusetts, was moved to a new location in April 2016. To make way for the development of the MGM Springfield Casino, the 1887 church was relocated 400 feet. This task required 68 steel beams and 20 hydraulic jacks for lifting, and then 14 Buckingham dollies for transporting the building. This process not only saved the church from demolition, but also showed the possibility of combining development and historical preservation. Turn forestry into a highly efficient process with the Westech Woodcracker W1000 attached to a mobile crusher. This combination is ready to handle the most serious tasks, quickly and neatly processing trees into chips. The ability to handle logs up to 39 inches in diameter makes the Woodcracker W1000 not just powerful, but an incredibly efficient tool for the forestry industry. Forget about labor-intensive disposal methods. Now you can do because the Belaz is a giant among machines at the cement plant. Able to lift anything from monolithic concrete blocks to heavy construction rebar, the TM1500 has a lifting capacity of 150 tons and can extend its boom to an impressive 262 feet in height. No matter what task it faces, this crane performs them with precision and speed, making it an indispensable helper in the dynamic environment of cement production. When the Bigfoot 5 starts and moves, it's not just a departure, it's an earthquake on wheels. Meet the tallest truck in the world, which dominates the road like no other. Its massive tires, each taller than an average person, leaves no chance for regular cars. Setting off, the Bigfoot 5 turns every trip into a superhero show. If you thought you'd seen it all, wait until it drives by. the historic building of the First Spiritualist Church in With it, you can dig trenches without harming the environment. Special technologies minimize emissions and fuel consumption, making it a true ecological champion. This trencher cares for the planet just like you do, and performs the work with high efficiency and minimal impact on nature. The Hitachi Zaxis 130 transforms any construction site, whether on land or water. This amphibious excavator with a floating design allows for work in the most challenging water and marsh conditions. With 95 horsepower and the ability to dig to a depth of up to 19.7 feet, this multifunctional giant is perfect for hydraulic engineering tasks, water body cleaning, and underwater communications laying. Its excellent adaptability and high performance make it an indispensable resource for any project. The Grove TM1500 hydraulic truck crane